Okay, I thought that the Khan Academy video was fabulous. I just wanted to add just a few things. In just a little bit, I'm going to give you 40 numbers. So it's going to be quite a few numbers, and you're going to need to be able to manage those numbers. So I just wanted to show you something really quick. Besides just having the years old and the frequency, okay, I just made these numbers up, and I just said that it's ages of some kids or whatever. But I wanted to show you this tally thing because I think it makes a lot more sense than the way that they did it on the video. Okay, so I'm going to create this chart, and so here I go. So 10 years, okay, I'm just going to cancel that, and I'm going to put a tally. 11, okay, that's my 11-year-old. 12, 12, 13, 13, okay, 10, now I'm coming back up to here, 12. So do you see what I'm doing here is I'm creating a system that allows you to do this very quickly. Now, I realize that this is the computer age, right? And this is probably even an archaic system with what we do with computers these days, okay? But right now, we're just doing things by hand, and in the real world, yes, you use computers, but I'm just trying to show you what it means to create some bins here. Okay, so now I got my years old, I got my tallies, and I got my frequency, okay? So here I go, I'm putting here 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so do you understand the difference between tally and frequency? That's gonna help you on the next video, okay? And then also on the next video, or sorry, on the assignment that you're gonna get, okay, so here we go, 10, so there's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 2, okay, 14, 2, and 15, 1. Okay, now, a dot plot is what we call discrete. In other words, there aren't going to be any like 10.5s or 10.7s or 10.8s, you know, there's no decimals. This is, in this case, this is years old, but you're not going to have like 10 and a half years old or 11 and a half years old. That's how many 10-year-olds we have, that's how many 12-year-olds we have, that's how many, whatever, 11, 12, you get the idea, okay? So, the Khan Academy video was excellent, but I just wanted to show you that real quick. Now, off of this, you should be able to find the mean, the median, and the mode off of all of this data. So let me just do that real quick. So the mean is all we have to do for the mean is we're just going to add all of these up, okay? 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 10, okay? Add those up, okay? The other thing I could do is I could say 10 times 3 plus 11 times 2 plus 12 times 4 plus 13 times 2 plus 14 times 2 plus 15 times 1, okay? That's going to give me my total that I'm going to end up dividing by how many data points there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 data points. So you take all that data, divide, and that's going to give you the mean or the average. You guys know that already. Okay, mean equals average. Okay, the median would just be counting to the middle. Okay, so here I go. I'm counting 10, 15, okay, boom, 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 boom. See what I'm doing? I'm working my way to the middle. So obviously the median is going to be here at 12, somewhere in 12, okay? And then the mode is also the one that occurs most often. So the median is 12 and the mode is also 12, okay? Minimum is 10, maximum is 15, and the range is range equals max minus min. Okay, so that'd be 15 minus 10, so our range equals 5, okay? You guys, this is easy stuff. If what I'm telling you is difficult, then you go ahead and feel free to call me, but I have a feeling you know all of this stuff. And I'm just, this assignment is supposed to be just really basic reminder of some simple concepts, because we're gonna build off of these concepts very quickly, okay? So I'm only giving you one problem for this assignment. Take a picture of it, send it to me, and then we're moving on to histograms. Peace. So this is the 40-man roster for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Okay, this is their ages. Don't ask me why there's only 38 data points. I don't know. Maybe at this point they haven't completely filled out the 40-man roster, or they made some changes to it or something. But anyway, there's only 38 data points on the 40-man roster. Okay, so what do I want you to do? I want you to create your frequency chart. Okay, and which is what I showed you just in the I just showed you the frequency chart. Okay, you're gonna create a frequency chart. You're gonna create a dot plot. And then over here, all right, I want you to find these things. I want you to find the maximum age, the minimum age, the mean, the median, the mode, and I want you to tell me the range, okay? Should be a fairly simple assignment. At the very end, just make a comment on something that the data would tell you. In other words, I'm not going to tell you what the comment. It doesn't have to be anything fantastic, but you should look at the data and you should be able to make some observations about the ages of the men on the LA Dodgers 40-man roster. Make one or two comments and that's good enough. Take a picture of it and submit it to Google Classroom. This assignment should not take you very long. I want it to go fast, and it should be pretty easy. So if you're thinking, hey, this is way too easy, it probably is, but it's the ground. We're building a foundation for the next thing. Thanks.